Today we are going to read about plant life. Okay, you all know about plants. Okay, today we are going to read about this. Now we are going to start. Plants are living organisms which include trees, shrubs, bushes, and herbs. They are an important source of food for both animals and human beings. There are different kinds of plants. Some are big and some are small. A plant has two main parts, shoot system and root system. The part of the plant above the ground is called the shoot system or the stem. It bears the branches, leaves, buds, flowers, and fruits. The other part of the plant, which grows underground, is called the root system. Now we are going to talk about the root system. Okay, there are two types of root, taproot and fibrous root. Okay, taproot. Taproots are long, thick roots with fine hair like structures coming out of the main root. They can travel deep inside the ground in search of water. They hold the plant firmly to the ground. Look at here. This is taproot. Okay. For example, carrot, turnip, radish, parsnip, dandelion, etc. are the example of taproot. Now we are going to read about fibrous root. Okay, fibrous root are thin roots that spread out through the soil like underground branches like this. Look at here, like this. Okay, grass, wheat, clover, rice. Okay, they do not travel deep into the soil. They bind the soil tightly. For example, grass, wheat, rice, etc. Function of root. Now we are going to study about function of root. Root helps to fix the plant in the soil. Root also absorb water and minerals from the soil. Small hair on the surface of root absorb food and water for the plant. Although leaves make food for plant, but roots provide water and minerals to leaves for making food. Anchoring the plant in the soil is another important function of root. The root firmly fixes the plant in soil. As the plant grows, its roots spread that give enough strength to the plant. That's why trees do not get uprooted in fast blowing winds. Long deep roots also absorb the water from deep earth. Roots also store food in them. Carrot, radish, beetroot, turnip, etc. store food in them. Some of them are eaten raw like carrot, radish, turnip. Now aerial roots, okay? Some special roots grow above the ground or above water. These are called aerial roots. They directly absorb moisture from the air. Such roots are found in orchid, banyan trees and mangroves. Look at here. This is called aerial roots. Okay. Now the shoot system. This part of the plant grow above the ground. It consists of them branches, leaves, buds, flowers and fruits. Now the stem. The stem bear the branches, leaves, buds, flowers and fruits. They support the plant above the ground. Stems are tender in young plants. They become hard and woody in older plants and form the trunk. The tender stems are green in color but the trunk are brown in color. They grow towards the sunlight. Now we are study about function of the stem. Okay, the stem hold the plant erect, helping it to get air and sunlight. It transports water and mineral salt from the roots to the leaves. It also transports food from the leaves to all part of the plant. Stem of some plants that grow under the ground store extra food in them. Such stems are known as underground modified stems. We eat these stems as food, for example potato, onion, ginger, etc. Now we are going to study about leaves. Okay, the leaf, it is the most important part of a plant and is called the food factory. It makes food for the plant by a process called photosynthesis. Photo means light and synthesis means putting together. The leaf uses water from the soil, carbon dioxide from the air and sunlight to make food. The food made by plants is called starch. Most leaves have green pigments called chlorophyll. Plants cannot make food without chlorophyll. Chlorophyll traps sunlight needed for making food. During photosynthesis, plants take in carbon dioxide and give out oxygen. This is why we say plants clean the air. However, during the night, they take in oxygen and give out carbon dioxide. Now we are going to talk about branches. Okay, branches are the new shoots at the side of the stem. Leaves, buds, flowers, and fruits are found on branches. Branches help leaves to get enough sunlight. Some plants have branches while some plants do not have branches. Now we are going to talk about flowers. The flowers, most beautiful and colorful part of the plant is the flower. Okay? The most beautiful and colorful part of the plant is the flower. It is the seed bearing part of the plant. Flowers exist in different colors, shapes, and sizes. They are colored brightly in order to attract insects. They also have a sweet tasting liquid called nectar. They may be single or in bunches. Okay. Now we are going to study about fruits. Fruits are edible part of a plant. They may be green, yellow, red and orange in colors. Fruits have different shapes, sizes and tastes. Some fruits have one seed while some have many seeds. Seeds develop inside the fruits and the fruits protect the seeds. Now seeds. Seeds are hidden inside fruits. When we sow seed in the soil, new plants grow from them. Seeds contain food for the baby plant. Seeds need enough air, water, and sunlight to grow into a new plant. The process of development of a seed into a new plant is called germination. Okay, today we learned about plants.